So today we're heading to a buyout. So if you know about Storks, we do a lot of buyouts of snowplow inventory. Sometimes it's just small stuff with dealers getting rid of old inventory, and sometimes we are buying all the inventory of a business. Today's buyout, we are heading to a place that is just eliminating a brand. About 24 pages of products. We haven't seen it yet. I take that and I put it into our inventory program, and then we come up with a quote. We have an offer out there that they've accepted, and we're going to get 3 trucks and trailers here on the road this morning and head there and take a look at the inventory and start loading. So we're on the road. We got a little bit later start than we hoped. Tractor trailer from Western came in with some inventory, so we unloaded that before we left. We're heading there. Looking forward to seeing this inventory. Been doing a lot of these buyouts over the years. Most of them now we figure in the price with delivery. So when we make an offer, we say this is what we're willing to pay when it's at our door. Sometimes we will run to it. We've done some pretty big ones in the past. We've done 3 out of state where we took our own crew and got all the inventory and pulled it down off second floors and everything. This particular one, I made an offer, both picked up or delivered. They chose to take the lower offer with us doing the legwork of getting it. They are counting it and staging everything, so it should just be a matter of loading it. We'll see what it looks like when we get there. I know they only have some of it ready. They're still counting all the small stuff, so just hoping to get these 3 trailer loads out of there today, and we'll go from there when they're ready for more. Loaded and on our way back. It was a pretty smooth loading this time. We mostly got big items that were loaded with a forklift, so it was no handwork. A lot of times when we're traveling further, we pack every open space on the trucks. The way we did this one, and we're not that far, we just loaded up pallets and the big boxes on this first load, and we're on our way back. Sounds like we're going to unload the trucks right away and head right back to get a bunch of blades. After that, we'll start doing the small stuff. It'll probably be a little more work. They're going to have it all on pallets and counted for us. Heading back to get it unloaded. They've got 4 more loads this morning that you can see sitting out here. They're working on unloading the last of it and get it spread out here so we can go through it. I believe we did a total of 15 truckloads
from this buyout. We've got stuff going on in the shop. They're splitting apart certain kits that we don't use as a kit. We take them apart and inventory the parts. We've got the small parts up front. Someone is up there inventorying those and barcoding them and getting them ready to be put away on the shelf where they belong. A lot of work ahead yet. Getting it back is just the beginning. Now we got to do the work of getting all these parts where they belong and make sure that the website's up to date, and we're lowering some of the prices. Sometimes when we get volume of things, we can lower what we sell it for to move it. So that's all the projects ahead that we're working on now. Here we are up in our showroom with Johnny, and he's going to talk about what we do with these. We get pallets full of small parts like this. The small parts are a lot more work. So what do you got to go through to get this into inventory and put away, Johnny?
So basically, I'm going through here and I'm seeing if the parts have a part number on it. It's like right here, 64478CF. I would scan it with the scan gun, and if it shows up, I will put a barcode label on it, and then I'll stick it right on this cart, and then it's ready to be received and put away.